If it's time to drain your Blue Whale Spa hot tub, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn off your hot tub. Disconnect the hot tub from the power supply for safety. Step 2. Locate the drain valve, usually located at the bottom outer corner of the spa. Step 3. Attach a hose. Using your step-tail hose adapter, attach a garden hose to the drain valve. Step 4. Direct into an appropriate drainage area. Water containing chemicals are best directed down a drain rather than onto plant life. Step 5. Open the drain valve. Turn the valve to start draining the water. Depending on your model, you may need to twist or pull to release the water. Step 6. Remove the remaining water. Once the main body of water has drained, make sure to scoop out any leftover water from the footwell and seats. You should also use a wet and dry vacuum over each of the jets to remove any hidden water in the pipes. Step 7. Clean the hot tub shell. Wipe down the interior with a non-abrasive waterline cleaner or spa-safe cleaner. Step 8. Close the drain valve. Whether you're leaving your hot tub empty for a time or intending the refill, make sure your drain valve is fully closed again. Frequency. We advise that you drain and refill your hot tub every 3 months. Depending on if you will be using your hot tub over the winter months, you should drain and shut down your spa. This will protect from freeze damage. Follow Blue Whale Spa for more daily tips and hot tub care tricks.